You think your morning commute is busy? Check out some of these crazy trains from around the world. This is Kurla Station in Mumbai, India, and this is just a normal day during rush hour. Imagine doing this every single day. Watch this. This is in Bangladesh, and I don't think you could fit another person on board this train. This train helps ferry pilgrims to Bishwa Idama, which is now the second biggest peaceful gathering in the world with 5 million people. These guys and girls are called pushers, and it's their job to cram people onto trains in Japan. This is the crowded Mekong Railway Market outside Bangkok, Thailand, and the train runs right through the middle 8 times a day. They only get 3 minutes warning to pack up everything, and they even leave some of the produce on the track, which the train narrowly misses. Crazy.